Mad Money. You can't afford to miss it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Mad Money. I'm your host, Tyler Katz, and today we are going to be looking into the depths of what is the stock market, the U.S. American Exchange, based out of New York, and we're going to be talking about the downfalls and why the downfalls are happening. So, I'm going to preface this statement by saying the past 2 to 3 months in the stock market have been absolute record lows. We have seen many different things happen. The first thing we've seen is that the Saudi Arabian-led oil coalition artificially raised prices for the rest of the world, which ultimately led stocks to fall. But not only that, we have been faced with a massive pandemic worldwide. The coronavirus has killed production of many vital goods and has closed businesses and led to social distancing in many different countries. If we look at this graph here, we see in a 1 month time period a steady decline of the S&P 500 or the GSPC index, specifically tracking the S&P 500. We see a very linear decline in the graph. We have seen it go from around 3,300 points to roughly 2,300 points at its lowest. That's almost a 30% drop off. And why, you might be asking? It's because of the coronavirus. So my advice to you right now is to buy stocks, because quite frankly, I see this coronavirus thing getting better in the next couple of weeks. Social distancing is working, and researchers are working on a cure, and an old malaria pill from 1940 may just have the answer we're looking for. So if I'm you, I'm buying lots of calls, I'm buying lots of stocks, and moreover, I'm buying cruise lines and I'm buying airlines. And let me, really quick, before we wrap up the segment for the day, we got a caller. Caller, what's your question?
Hey Tyler, I'm a big fan of your show. Is now the time to buy biotech stocks?
Thank you very much, caller, for the wonderful question, and thank you for the kind words about the show. I would say now is the time to buy biotech stocks. I think the biotech market is very risky because it's very dependent on the coronavirus news. So if you're buying a biotech stock, I would look through a biotech stock that's going to be not performing well right now because of the coronavirus, and maybe because they're not developing a cure like all the other hyped up biotech ETFs and stocks. And I would look for a stock that's going to be robust and resilient after the coronavirus subsides. A great example of that is Gilead Sciences or Pharmaceuticals, I'm not sure which one it is, or any kind of Roche Pharmaceutical pricing, or any biotech ETF. Thanks for the question, Hornet. And with that, I'm out. Thanks for coming to Mad Money with Tyler Katz. Any questions, drop them in the comments. Any advice, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help y'all out. Have a blessed day.